Okay, this question says calculate the amount of work done on a box if a man applies a force of 812 newtons over the course of 28 centimeters. Now the first thing that you should realize is we don't really deal with things in centimeters, so we're going to have to do something about that. But for now, let's say that we are looking for the work that is done. We know that the formula we have for work is equal to force times distance. We can say, all right, we have some sort of box that we are applying a force of 812 newtons to, and we're going to move that box a total of 28 centimeters. Went ahead and put a little star right there just to let me know, hey, centimeters is not something I'm going to deal with. So now we start to give these variables certain values. So we know that since force is measured in newtons, we know that this is going to be 812, and distance is centimeters. We have this. However, we need to convert to standard units, and we say there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Or our distance term is actually not 28, but is instead 0.28 meters. Once we have this, we can plug it into our formula. We can say W is equal to FD, or 812 times 0.28, and that would allow us to calculate our work, which is 812 times 0.28, or 227.4 joules. Now the last thing we want to do is we do want to make sure that our units match up. Remember, for work we have the unit of a joule. Okay, a joule is a kilogram meter squared per second squared. That's the definition of a joule. On the other side we have a newton. Remember, a newton is a kilogram meter per second squared. And then we have meters. When you multiply kilogram meter per second squared times meters, this term goes away, you have a squared, those two things are equal.